Warning, you must watch this video before you attempt to sharpen your clipper blades at home. If you watch videos, you'll see a lot of people sharpening clipper blades on waterstones. And you'll see a lot of maybe on sandpaper. I've known some people, they sharpen clipper blades on their flat home scissor sharpening machines. It may get by with one sharpening. Let me explain to you why you've got to have one of these machines. Trying to go a shortcut on this is going to ruin the clipper blades. This plate is actually cone shaped, and I'm going to prove that to you. I'm going to put this flat edge, the straight edge here, and if I have the light right here behind it, there's light underneath over here, there's light over there. The further out you go, the less light underneath the ends of my straight edge. The closer to the center, the more light there is. So this is actually cone shaped up, higher in the center, just a tiny amount. Now, if you sharpen your blades on something completely flat, it would be like taking the curve out of shears and expecting them to cut better this way. But no, you've got to have a curve. And that's the same way with your clipper blades. They're meeting on the tip here, so the pressure is coming here at the tip, and the cutting is done here and not down there. I know it's sort of hard to wrap your head around the geometry here. When you're coming straight across, like we're going to do with the clipper blades, the edge where the teeth are will be flat, but from the teeth to the back of the blade will have a slight concave, hollow grind round to it. I'm hoping that makes sense to you. So what we're taking from this is that you've got to, when you're doing the clipper blade back and forth, you've got to stay straight. If you do a little bit of cattywampus, the blades won't cut right. Did you like that little short video clip? That's part of a long 1-hour comprehensive 12-chapter video on step-by-step clipper blade sharpening. There's a link below where you can get the full video, and that will also come with the training manual, and also the little recipe for sharpening clipper blades, and a personal class with me, whether in person or online. And it costs less than you think. Now I've got a lot of other free videos, clipper blade sharpening, shear sharpening. Make sure you subscribe. I have a link to a video here I think you'll like. And this is a fun business, but it's also very lucrative. People are surprised at how much money they can make doing this. So if you have any interest, contact me. I read and answer pretty much all the comments on our YouTube videos. So make sure you comment and ask any questions, and stay sharp.